Okay, so this is how you use a sea toilet. So this handle is the pump and it is in a locked position, so we're just going to turn it like that. Never force anything on this handle. If it's blocked, it needs looking at. So to fill the bowl, to charge the bowl, put the lever across to here to fill it with water. Let me pump. Okay, so that's filling the bowl. Do your thing, and then when you want to empty the bowl, you move the lever across to the right, right across, and then you can discharge it like so. If you need a flush again, come across, flush, empty, put it back across. So never anything into the bowl that hasn't gone through you, and never force this lever if it's blocked and it needs attention. But once you've discharged it completely, then you can, on these new models, you can then lock this lever in position so it doesn't come back up like so.